In this video, we're taking an honest look at Funnel.io, a marketing data platform that pulls information from multiple ad, analytics, and CRM channels into one place, and while it can save teams significant time, it's important to understand where it excels and where it may feel heavy. Funnel.io's main strength is automation. It collects, cleans, and standardizes data from hundreds of sources, helping marketers eliminate manual spreadsheets and reduce reporting errors. For agencies or growing teams, this centralized approach can make cross-channel reporting far more reliable. However, Funnel.io isn't the simplest tool to onboard. Setting up connectors and mapping data can feel complex if you don't have experience working with marketing data. Its built-in dashboards are functional but basic, meaning most users still rely on external BI tools like Looker Studio or Power BI for polished reporting. Pricing is another consideration, as the platform becomes expensive as your data sources or export needs grow. Overall, Funnel.io is a strong fit for medium to large teams managing multiple channels, but smaller marketers may find it more complex and costly than necessary. Stick around and subscribe for more honest tech reviews.